Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. You know that we love free software. So today we're having a look at a couple Photoshop alternatives, but we are going to have a look at specifically free Photoshop alternatives. So if this is something you might be into, stick around and let's check these cool things out. So the first one I want to speak about is PhotoScape X, and as you can see on their homepage here that they have quite a bit of features. So some of these features may include batch processing, and as a photographer, batch processing is a huge help. They also have real-time editing. We have some collaboration tools, content sharing if you are collaborating with other creators. You've got an image library that you can go ahead and use from, and you have a nice watermarking tool, which is fantastic. And it's also got a bunch of filters and overlays that you can put onto your images. You can see over here that they have a bunch of screencasts, and you can go ahead and learn from this bank of resources that they have to offer. Next on our list is PIXLR. So PIXLR is a fantastic photo editor. You can see that it has quite a bit of features. It's got the regular editor, and this is now for beginner as well as advanced editing. It's also got the AI photo editor. It's got a PIXLR designer, which allows you to use templates and animate. We also have the background remover, and again we have that batch editor. It is very much AI powered. It is also fantastic for beginners as well as the more advanced individual that is wanting to edit photos. You can see that there are a bunch more tools over here, such as the generative expand. There's also object removal, a generative fill, and these are amazing features. Coming in at number 3, KRITA is a little bit different to the rest of the items in this list because this is more of a painting app. Now, going into KRITA, it's a digital drawing program basically for professional artists, and it has tons of features. So KRITA has a highly customizable brush engine with over 100 pre-loaded brushes, and it also supports brush engine plugins. It has a layer system. It's got a great intuitive interface. It's got the opportunity to see your work in multiple views. It allows for animation, which is amazing, and it's got a bunch of other features which you can find all on their website right over here. Photopea is coming in at number 4. Photopea is fantastic. On the left side over here, you can see they've got everything that you can import from. When you're creating a new project, Photopea allows you to import PSD, AIXD, Fig, Sketch, PDF, RAW, and literally any type of format that you can actually think of. So it really allows for a bunch of different formats. It does also have the image editor, such as your basic tools like a crop and a resize and so forth. It's got basic vector editing. It also has the opportunity to create graphics such as YouTube thumbnails, and you can actually go ahead and actually see all of their templates right over here. So if you're looking for anything like this, there's a template for everything that you see over here. So if you're doing YouTube thumbnails, or you're doing Facebook content, or you're making signs, whatever it is, you can do everything right here in Photopea. And coming in here now at number 1, we have Gimp, and Gimp is amazing. I've been using Gimp for quite a while now, and Gimp just is on another level. For me, it's a fantastic tool. It's a great Photoshop alternative. Obviously, we love free software, and it really has a lot to offer. Some of the things that they do have to offer, additional to all your basic tools, is they've got a great plug-in browsing bank. So there are literally tons of plugins that you can actually choose from and install onto your Gimp program. You can also do silly things like blending photographs, adding multiple layers. You can even take video content, which would be MP4 format, and you can break that down into frames, and you can actually stack those frames, and you can use this to create long exposure images, and that is the best. If this was helpful, let us know. Tell us what your favorite tool is. Let us know in the comment section. We'll see you next time. Go and create something. Peace.